Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Alpecin Grey Attack review. So you might be wondering, what is the Alpecin Grey Attack here? Well, the Alpecin Grey Attack is a caffeine and color shampoo made by German brand Dr. Kurt Wolf, designed to gradually darken gray or graying hair while also addressing hair thinning. Now, it uses a repigmentation ingredients called 5,6-DHI, which builds up in the hair over repeated washes and basically reacts with oxygen in the air to form color pigment. Now, alongside Alpecin's caffeine complex, which is intended to help reduce hair loss and support hair growth. Now, it's marketed as suitable for any hair color, working best on light brown or to black hair. Now, in this case, how do you exactly start using this? Now, in this case, according to them, you just need to apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and then leave it for about 2 to 5 minutes from the application. Now, to rinsing before washing it out thoroughly. Now, daily use is recommended for the first few weeks since color intensity builds with both longer application time and more frequent use. Now, once the desired shade is reached, it can be alternated with regular shampoo or Alpecin C1 shampoo to maintain the color. Now, first visible results are generally noted after about 2 to 4 weeks of daily use, and color effect grows out with the hair rather than washing out. Now, the maker notes that it isn't a traditional hair dye and it shouldn't leave stains on the scalp or hands. Though through thorough rinsing here is advised to avoid any discoloration on towels or clothing. Now, on the pricing side here, a single 200 ml bottle here is commonly listed around $17 to $20. Now, it depends on where you are buying it for a one-time purchase. Now, with some retailers offering a lower subscription price around like $18, and multi-packs around 2 packs or bundles with other Alpecin products and are also available here, generally priced proportionally higher, and prices vary somewhat by retailer. So pricing here is not in this case consistent in certain cases, so you may see like cheaper options out there if you try looking for the brand. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.